Hi, I'm Alex with ProGadgetPicks. Today I'm ranking the 5 best robot vacuum mop combos you can buy right now. Just so you know, links in the description are Amazon affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Is your robot vacuum leaving streaks on hard floors and getting stuck under furniture that sits just a few inches off the ground? Fine grit on bare surfaces scatters when vacuumed and streaks when mopped. And most combo units are too tall to reach the dust trapped under low sofas and bed frames. I ranked 5 options from worst to best, so you know exactly which one to buy. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 on our countdown, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This one targets multi-surface pet homes, where hair wrap on the brush roll is the main frustration. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a brush roll-free unit built for pet owners on mixed surface floors. Its dual rotating side brushes replace a traditional roller, which means zero hair tangles. The brush never wraps. Suction reaches 5,200 pascals across 3 adjustable levels, covering hard floors and low-pile carpet. A 4-stage water adjustment system lets you control exactly how much moisture hits your floors, from a light mist on hardwood to heavier output on tile. No self-emptying dock is included, so plan on manual bin emptying after each cycle. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Now that you have seen it working, here is what stands out. 5,200 pascal suction across 3 adjustable levels, a brush roll-free design that eliminates hair tangles entirely, and a 4-stage water adjustment system for different floor types. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that there is no self-emptying base included, so you are manually emptying the dust bin after every cleaning cycle. Pet owners on a budget who do not mind hands-on bin maintenance get solid hair management here without the dock cost. Link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown, the MONSGA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If you have multiple floors and a shedding pet, this unit maps all of them in about 10 minutes. With 6,000 pascal suction and a V-shaped rubber bristle brush that resists pet hair tangles, the MONSGA handles shedding across hard floors and carpet. A 3.5-liter self-emptying dock reduces manual bin emptying to roughly monthly. LiDAR navigation maps your home in about 10 minutes and stores up to 5 floor plans. Move it between levels, and it reorients without remapping. Runtime reaches 180 minutes at under 55 decibels. The onboard water tank holds 270 milliliters, so larger homes may need a mid-clean refill. Check the link in the description for current pricing. So those are the headline specs. Let me break down what matters. 6,000 pascal suction with a V-shaped rubber bristle brush that resists tangles, LiDAR mapping across up to 5 floors, and a 3.5-liter self-emptying dock. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that the onboard water tank holds only 270 milliliters, which may require refilling mid-clean in larger homes. Multi-floor pet households that want automated mapping and minimal bin emptying get the most convenience at this price tier. Link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown, the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with self-emptying base. At 3.8 inches tall, this clears under furniture that blocks nearly every other unit in this roundup. A 7,000 pascals robot vacuum and mop combo with a tangle-free roller brush and a 3.5-liter self-emptying dock that lasts up to 90 days between bag changes. When it detects carpet, suction jumps 200% automatically, no manual adjustment required. LiDAR navigation supports 5 safe floor plans with per-room no-go and no-mop zones. The 3.8-inch profile clears furniture most competitors cannot reach under. Runtime hits 180 minutes per charge. It connects on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, so confirm your network setup before purchasing. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Back from the product rundown, a few things worth flagging here. 7,000 pascal suction with auto carpet boost that increases power by 200% on rugs. A 3.5-liter self-emptying station lasting up to 90 days, and 360-degree LiDAR with no-go and no-mop zone support. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that it only connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, making it incompatible with 5 GHz only networks. Mixed hard floor homes that want real low-profile clearance without sacrificing suction or dock capacity get the best balance here. Link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 2 on our countdown, the Tikom L8000 Plus. This one gives pet owners granular control over exactly how carpet detection and mop zones get managed through a full-featured app. HEPA filtration and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support set the Tikom L8000 Plus apart from most competitors in this tier. Suction reaches 6,000 pascals with automatic carpet boost, and a 3-liter self-emptying dust bag lasts approximately 90 days between changes. LiDAR navigation saves up to 5 floor maps for multi-level homes. Runtime reaches 150 minutes on gentle mode with auto recharge and resume for larger floor plans. The mopping system requires manual mop holder removal or app-based no-mop zones to protect carpeted areas. Check the link in the description for current pricing. With those features laid out, here is the bigger picture. 6,000 pascal suction with automatic carpet boost, a 3-liter self-emptying dust bag lasting approximately 90 days, HEPA filtration, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that the mopping system requires either physical removal of the mop holder or manual no-mop zone setup in the app to prevent wetting carpeted areas. If you want 5 GHz connectivity, HEPA-grade air filtration, and 150-minute runtime on a single charge, this is the most feature-complete option below the premium tier. Link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 1 on our countdown, the Roborock Qrevo. Purpose-built for low-clearance furniture and long hair, with the least manual intervention in this roundup. That covers the core capabilities. Here is what it actually means for your home. 8,000 pascal suction, dual spinning mops rotating at 200 revolutions per minute, a 4-liter dock that auto-washes, dries, and refills mops, and an SGS-certified asymmetrical side brush designed specifically to resist hair tangling. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi limitation as the number 3 pick, which causes setup issues on 5 GHz only networks. Low-clearance furniture, long hair, minimal intervention. If that describes your home, this is the one. Link in the description for current pricing. After going through all 5, my number 1 pick is the Roborock Qrevo, and here is exactly why it wins. Its 4-liter dock auto-washes, dries, and refills the mop pads, which matters because mop pads sitting damp in a dock grow bacteria and start to smell within hours. The dual spinning mops rotate at 200 revolutions per minute with 30 adjustable water levels. No other product in this roundup offers motorized scrubbing with that level of water flow precision. No other option in this roundup comes close on automated mop maintenance. All 5 are linked in the description below. Click through for current pricing and availability. If this helped, subscribe. I rank smart home and gadget products every week. And as a reminder, those are Amazon affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you.